Laurence, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Shona. Hello. Bonjour, namaste. So मेरी हिंदी बहुत खराब है और मेरी अंग्रेजी अच्छा नहीं है लेकिन और आप फ्रांसीसी बोलते हैं? Do you speak French? Oh, so I'm going to learn you first words in French first, okay? ठीक है? Do you know how to say namaste in French? Bonjour! Bonjour! And do you know how to say yes in French? Oui! Okay, again. Oui! And do you say how to say no? It's very easy, actually. How do you know how to say no? It's important to know how to say no in life also, you know. Non. You say non. Can you try it? Non. Oh, louder. Come on. Non. Okay. But I hope you'll say yes, oui to my stories today. Other French words I would like to share with you. It's about the animal sounds, right? Because, you know, I really love animals and plants and our planet. And I would also love to learn more Hindi words. So please now share with me your Hindi knowledge. For example, in French, a cat, you know what a cat sound is? Yeah, meow. So in Hindi? Meow, okay. And what about kuta, un chien? Woof, woof. I can't hear you. You have to bark louder. Woof, woof. And Hindi? Oh, yeah, cool, yeah. And yeah, buzz, 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 buzz. Shanti, shanti, yeah, cool. And what about a cow? Wow, yeah. So in French, it's almost the same. It's moo. And birds, panchia, uh, little birds, small birds, choti panchia in French. They
छोटी
go,
चिड़ियाएं, छोटी चिड़िया.
shukriya. So they go cui cui, cui cui. And in Hindi, what sound? Pew, pew. Okay, cool. And roosters. So in French, you know, in French, they go cocorico. Very good. You're very, okay. Very good, very talented. So my first story is actually about a Kukuriko man, right? I brought a feather because mostly I'm a writer. And you know, in the ancient times, in France, people would write stories with feathers, right? But this is a peacock feather, as you probably know. But this Kukuriko man, he had feathers on his head. He was like a normal man, but he had feathers on his head. He has a big beak, and instead of arms, he had wings. You know. So this Kukuriko man, he was very
Laurence, s'il vous plaît.
okay. Yeah.
So, आप first you and then me.
Okay. So this Kukuriko man, he was very gentle, very kind, and so sometimes people thought that because he was kind, he was a bit, empty in his head. So a rich man nearby his house came to see Kukuriko man, and he said, "Oh, Kukuriko man, would you please let me borrow some money from you?" Right? And Kukuriku Man, he was very kind, so he said, "Okay, sure, you can have some money. So, but you have to give it back to me in 6 months."
So
So
वो
he-
कहता है कि उसे पैसे 6 महीने में वापस करने हैं.
So 6 months later, Kukuriku Man was waiting for his money, and the money was not coming. So he kept waiting.
तो पैसा नहीं आ रहा था, तो वो कुकरी कुमार इंतजार कर रहा है.
So 8 months later, no rich man, no money. So Kukuriku Man was starting to get impatient.
तो 8 महीने हो गए, ना कोई पैसा ना कुछ. तो कुकरी कुमार को क्या हुई? चिंता क्या हुई? हाँ.
So 1 year later, Kukuriku Man thought, okay, this is enough. Enough is enough, you know. So he said, okay, I'm going to go and see the rich man and ask for my money back.
सो कुकरी कुमार ने कहा बहुत हो गया, अब जाके क्या लेने हैं वापस? बढ़िया.
So he went to the rich man's house, you know, and on his way, suddenly there was a fox.
तो जैसे ही वो रिच मैन के घर गया, रास्ते में क्या आया? फॉक्स. फॉक्स तो पता है ना सबको. फॉक्स को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? क्या आया? लोमड़ी. ओके.
Yeah, thank you. So the fox looked at Kukuriku Man and he said, "Oh, Kukuriku Man, it seems so cool to go on a walk. I would really like to come with you. Can I come with you?" So Kukuriku Man, you know, he was so gentle. He said, "Okay, sure, you can come." So, you know, he lifted one of his wings and the fox went under the wing.
सो कुकरी कुमार ने क्या करा? एक अपना क्या उठाया? पंख. हाँ, और वहां पे क्या घुसा लिया? क्या किसको घुसाया? लोमड़ी को. किसको? समझ में आया?
So, and then they started walking again, and then Kukuriku Man met a wolf.
फिर कुकरी कुमार को क्या मिला रास्ते में? भेड़िया.
So Wolf said, "Oh, Kukuriku Man, it seems so nice to go on a walk with you. Can I come too?" So Kukuriku Man, he scratched his feathers. He said, "Okay, you can go under my other wing."
सो कुकरी कुमार ने अपना सर खुजलाया, क्योंकि भेड़िया ने पूछा क्या मैं तुम्हारे साथ आ जाऊं वॉक पे? तो कुकरी कुमार ने क्या बोला? आ जाओ. तो उसने अपना दूसरा विंग ऊपर किया और उसको जगह दे दी.
So and then they kept walking. Kukuriku Man was starting to feel a bit tired, you know, because under one wing he had a fox, under the other wing he had a wolf. So it was a bit heavy, but he kept walking.
सो कुकरी कुमार क्या हो गया? थक गया ना, क्योंकि एक तरफ क्या है, दूसरी तरफ क्या है?
And then he met a river. So the river said to Kukuriku Man, Oh, this seems so nice to go on a walk. Please take me with you. River.
हाँ. सो फिर क्या हुआ? एक नदी आई. नदी ने कहा वाह, सब वॉक पे जा रहे हैं तो मुझे भी साथ ले चलो.
So Kukuriku Man was like, "No, yeah, I have a fox, I have a wolf, and now the river wants to come with me. But you know, the river, it's very heavy with all the fish and so on. But you know, he was a very kind mind, so he said, "Okay, river, come on my shoulders, I'll take you."
सो कुकड़ी कुमार ने कहा अरे यार, एक तरफ लोमड़ी, एक तरफ भेड़िया, और अब ये नदी भी साथ. पर कुकड़ी कुमार क्या था? एक अच्छा इंसान. तो उसने क्या बोला? चलो. क्या बोला?
Chalo. So they arrived to the rich man's house, and so Kukuriku Man, he knocked at the door of the rich man's house. Knock, knock, knock.
सो कुकड़ी कुमार कहाँ पहुंचा? रईस आदमी, रिच मैन के घर पे. और उसने क्या किया? सारे करो ना खटखट. हाँ.
Oh, yeah, it's as in French, you know, when we knock at a door in French, we say, toc, toc, toc. Yeah, toc, toc, toc.
टप टप टप.
So the rich man asked his servant, "Who is there? Who is at the door?" And the servant said, "Oh, it's Kukuriku Man."
अरे तुम लोग इतना बोलोगे तो मुझे कहानी नहीं सुनाई दे रही. बोलो ना सॉरी. आगे से नहीं करना. अच्छे बच्चे बनना. लॉरेंस रिपीट सिल vous plaît. Last line please repeat. Just repeat the last line for me.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Yeah, so the servant went to see the rich man and he said, oh, there's Kukuriku man at the door.
So दरवाजा किसने खोला? नौकर ने. किसने खोला? और वो ऊपर गया और उसने रिच मैन को क्या बोला? कौन आया है मिलने के लिए?
So the rich man said, oh no, not Kukuriku man. I don't want to give him his money back. No way. So tell him to go to the hen house, and the hen house, they are very hungry. They will get rid of him.
तो वो कहता है कि मुझे उसके पैसे वापस, तो इसका कुछ करना पड़ेगा. तुम उसे hen house भेज दो. तो मुर्गियों के घर में क्या है, जब उन्हें बहुत भूख लगेगी तो वो उसको खा जाएंगे.
So the Kukuriku man entered the hen house, and then all the hens came to, attack him. But then, what happened? Under the first wing, the fox stepped out.
तो जब वो गया मुर्गियों के घर में, उन्होंने अटैक करा, लेकिन पहली विंग से कौन निकला? फॉक्स.
And all the hens and they hid in the back of the hen house, and they left the Kukuriku man. So the servant watched this, and he went back to the rich man's house, and he said, the hens didn't do anything to Kukuriku man.
तो सर्वेंट ने देखा ना कि कैसे वो हैन डर गई, तो वो ऊपर गया और उसने रिच मैन को क्या बोला कि कुकरी कुमार को कुछ नहीं हुआ है, वो बच गया क्योंकि मुर्गियां उससे डर गई हैं.
So the rich man thought, okay, send him to the sheep house. The sheep will suffocate him.
तो वो कहता है उसको शीप के घर भेज देते हैं, वो सारे उस पे बैठ जाएंगे और उसकी सांस रुक जाएगी. तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्ड.
Exactly. So then Kukuriku man entered the sheep house, and all the sheep came and gathered around him to suffocate him, right? But then who stepped out of the wing? Who? Wolf, yes. So the servant went back to the rich man's house, and he said, no, nothing. He's still in a very good form, Kukuriku man. So the rich man at that point was very upset, and he said, okay, this is enough. Let's throw the Kukuriku man in the oven, and we'll get a roasted chicken tonight.
तो वो कहता है कि अब शीप के साथ भी कुछ नहीं हुआ, तो वो सर्वेंट को रिच मैन क्या कहता है, इसको तंदूर में डाल देते हैं और इसका क्या बनाएंगे, तंदूरी है, चिकन. तंदूरी क्या, सब बोलो चिकन. हाँ.
So the servant catched Kukuriku man, threw him into the oven. Kukuriku man, he was getting very hot, and was thinking, oh, this is the end now, what's gonna happen? But who came out of his shoulders? Yes, the river. So the river came out and flooded and, extinguished the fire, and Kukuriku man was saved. So at this point, the rich man thought, okay, no way now. I can't get rid of this guy. I have to give him his money back. So he gave the money back to Kukuriku man, and Kukuriku man, very happily, he went back home with under one wing the fox, and under the other wing and on his shoulders the river. Yeah, okay, thank you.